Hi there, I'm back. Well, not really, but the only reason why I wanted to add this very short mini video is that I was actually showing you about things in real life, but I actually forgot to show you how a capacitor and a resistor and so on actually look like in real life. So, what happened here? Well, I was actually it's winter, and from one day to the other, I noticed that no matter how high I was going to set my temperature inside my house, temperature was still going to be pretty low. So wanted to check it out, and my heating system actually blew up, and you can see it pretty clearly that something went terribly wrong. This is probably water. I don't know whether it is water leakage or moisture or I don't know, the pee of some kind of animal. I have no idea, honestly. But some pretty bad things happened to my resistor. So here on this side, you can actually see my resistor. So that one, that little thing here with that I'm showing you with the bands um, is actually a resistor, and the bands actually tell you how many ohms it has. So something pretty bad went there, has been going on there. This big guy that you see here and this other little guy that you see here is a capacitor. So it's also called, well, no, it's just called a capacitor. There are two types of capacitor. You can have this kind of capacitor and this other kind of capacitor that you can see in yellow. So yeah, this is just a capacitor. Let's see if I can see how many farad it has. I can't really see it. No, I can. Oh, 4.7 mu f. Okay, so it's reasonable. 4.7. I don't know. You can see it. No, I cannot focus it. Well, anyways, 4.7 mu farad, so it is reasonable. You're never gonna find a capacitor of like 1 farad, because 1 farad is like way too high. And will be very large to store that much power. So yeah, so this is basically what happened to my board. And this is why my heating system is fucked up, and I gotta replace it. And then hopefully my heating system is gonna go back up and running again. And if I can, I'm gonna show you that my heating system actually is. Oh, I'm gonna get rid of the light. Yeah, no light. So my heating system is actually fucked up. Oh, can I? Yeah, I should have kept the light. There we go. So this is my heating system. Is off, but even if I turn it on, it's not gonna turn it. It's not gonna turn on because, well, that was the board. The board is broken. So it's 7 in the morning, and I have 15.5 degree Celsius, which is pretty cold actually. I generally have about 24 degree in my house. So yeah. All right. So I hope it helps. And well, now you have seen how resistor and capacitor look like in real life. Really, uh, I really wanted to show you how an inductor also looks like, but I have none of them. So yeah, I can't really show you how it looks like. But anyway, again, thank you for watching, and this for this time is really gonna be over. So